NeNe Leakes thanked all her fans, even the gentlemen who've made their way into her DMs, for their inspiring support following husband Gregg's passing. NeNe Leakes, 53, has a special message for the men who've been sliding into her Instagram DMs in the wake of her husband Gregg Leakes' tragic death. The Real Housewives of Atlanta alum took to her Instagram stories on Wednesday, October 6, to express gratitude to fans that have shown her some love during this hard time. And as she pointed out, some of these fans include male followers who have been direct messaging NeNe, likely with some flirtatious remarks. Thank you to everybody. All the gentlemen that have been in my DMs, thank you all too, NeNe said in a video on her X stories, according to Entertainment Tonight. The former Bravo star then wiggled her eyebrows and playfully said hey, to those male followers she mentioned. I'm just over here doing me right now, but hey. NeNe added. I love reading the messages. They are inspiring to say the least. Thank you. NeNe sadly became a widow on September 1, after Gregg lost his battle with colon cancer at the age of 66. Gregg had beaten his first stint with stage 3 cancer colon after 6 months of chemotherapy back in 2019, but it unfortunately returned in June 2021. His initial battle with the disease was featured on Ro's 11th season, and it affected the couple's marriage. It's very hard to be a caretaker, NeNe told people during Gregg's initial health struggles. People call and they say, how's Gregg doing? And I want to throw the phone and say, how the F am I doing? I'm going crazy over here, Gregg is wearing me out. I am not good at this s. Related gallery. Real Housewives of Atlanta Season 12, pics. Since Gregg's death, NeNe has been open about her up and down grief process. On September 28, she wrote about Gregg on her X stories, missing you like crazy foo kkkkkk. About 2 weeks prior, NeNe said on Instagram that she has good days and bad days in mourning her beloved husband. NeNe and Gregg got married in 1997. They later got divorced in 2011, only to get remarried in June 2013.